Hello and welcome
to
this sixth
video blog number 6.
Number 6.
Today featuring Uffe and Mathilde. Eva, she's unfortunately at the family's birthday something.
Today we are inside the yard at the Royal Library in Copenhagen, where we have just been sitting and working on some summing up of some articles we have been searching and reading.
Yeah, because what we've been doing since the last time is to investigate a lot of articles about cold chain monitoring and supply chain management, so that we can find a lot of problems that always are at this kind of situation with cold chains and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. And what we found out was that there is some things that opened up for our project, so we really couldn't use this method to narrow it down as we would like to do. And then we thought about maybe it's not necessary for us to narrow it down right now. Maybe we need to go to Uganda first to be sure how to focus on the right subjects for this better project.
Yeah, but one theme that we found a lot of that was mentioned a lot in the articles, and a theme that we also found relevant is the training of the people that has something to do with the vaccines. That's a very important subject also in the further realization of maybe supply ID.
And in relation to that, we actually talked about that supply ID is kind of a part of the solution, and maybe we could look at a broader concept where supply ID might be a part of this broader concept of broader solution to the supply chain for UNICEF.
Yeah, but right now we are actually in a hurry because we're going to Statens Serum Institute to investigate and get some knowledge about the whole cold chain from the actual start point where the vaccines are shipped from the vaccine supplier.
Yeah, so that's it for now.
Yeah.
Please keep posting the comments, we love them. We haven't got them yet, so please come on, comment and have a nice weekend.
Bye.
Bye.